How to make tamarind super brightening and anti-aging oil. Very easy, guys. Hello viewers, welcome back to Machine Art channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Today on this channel we'll be doing a tutorial on how to make tamarind brightening and anti-aging oil. All right, so tamarind is a very good plant that is added to food when you want to make certain types of sauce or food sauce recipe. You may add tamarind. You can use tamarind on the skin, and you can use it for numerous other purposes. Even in medicine, tamarind is used. So if you want to make tamarind oil, to use it for the purpose of skin brightening, you want to use it to correct hyperpigmentation, you want to use it to remove blemishes, and so on and so forth. You just want to use it to beautify your skin. How do you go about it? All right, so before I tell you how to go about making a simple but effective tamarind oil, we'll be discussing about the contents or the substances contained in tamarind that makes it useful for such purposes. All right, so now this is tamarind as I bought in the market. I just bought a little. All right, I use it sometimes to flush out my system, to detoxify. Tamarind is good for the digestive tract, but that's not what we're talking about. You see, tamarind contains what we call AHA. Everybody knows what AHA is in cosmetology. If you are into cosmetic manufacturing, or you just love cosmetics, or you buy cosmetic products from the market, sometimes you look at your ingredients label or your label and you find AHA as part of the ingredients contained in the product. All right, AHA simply means alpha hydroxyl acid. Now, what's the benefit of AHA? When it comes to anti-aging, AHA, that is alpha hydroxyl acid, is good for the skin. You know, collagen adds to elasticity and firms up the skin. AHA is also very good when you talk about anti-aging. So when you start using products that contain AHA, you'll find out that your skin will start looking younger. Some of the wrinkles, the shrinks, the freckles, and so on and so forth that you would have had on your skin will be evened out because of AHA. AHA is not just good as anti-aging, it's also good for brightening. You know, tamarind contains AHA and vitamin C, which are skin brighteners. Some people have observed that when you use tamarind in your soap and cream alone, it can brighten as though you've used some dangerous chemicals, and tamarind is natural. So how do you go about this? You can make tamarind oil to make soap, or you can add tamarind extract to your soap. Then you can make tamarind oil or butter to make your skin cream, or you can use the oil directly on your skin to do or to brighten your skin. Tamarind contains substances, e.g. AHA and vitamin C, that are good for antioxidation, and they also remove free radicals on the skin, you know, dead cells, this and that. when you apply products like this, they have the ability to exfoliate the skin to an extent and ensure that your skin is not packed up with dirt. All right, then your skin will not oxidize because it contains vitamin C. So you can see some of the reasons why tamarind is very good for the skin. All right guys, so you see, you buy tamarind looks like this when it's peeled off. If it's not peeled off, it will have the back like what you see here. You buy it from the market and you just get olive or coconut oil, or you can even use almond oil. All right, so you can use any natural oil of your choice and infuse with tamarind. Just put tamarind, wash the tamarind with salt and water, ensure that the water is drained, put the tamarind in a container. After putting tamarind in a container, you go ahead and pour the natural oil and shake it vigorously, or you just give it a shake, just normal shake like this, and you do what? And you keep it in a cool, dry place for 2 weeks. Within the 2 weeks, you can give it a shake once in 2 days or even once in a week. The ingredients in the tamarind would have infused in the oil. After 2 weeks, you strain it with a cheesecloth, or you can use a mesh or even a coffee filter to strain it, or you can use a cheesecloth and strain, and also use coffee filter to strain it. And once you strain it, you package it in a container. Then you can add any fragrance of your choice. You may add lavender, you may add strawberry fragrance, you may add mango fragrance, you may add miyaki, you may add blue water, you may add lemon, or if you want the tamarind to have its own natural ingredients, you may add lemon or orange peel, you may add eucalyptus fragrance, or you add the eucalyptus plant along with the tamarind as you're making the tamarind oil. You can add passion fragrance, you can add lovette, you can add cindy, and so on and so forth into the oil and package. Then when you take your bath, you do what? I'll be showing you what tamarind oil looks like when it's in a container. Then I'll teach you how to add it to your cream and mist, and how to apply it in order to have effective results. All right guys, so you can see I just poured some of the tamarind oil in this container. This is what our beautiful tamarind oil looks like. You can use it from this small container like this, or you pour in another container that has a flip cover or that has an outlet you may be pouring the oil from. All right, example, you can pour your tamarind oil in a container like this, all right, that you can open, and you see you can pour the oil from here and apply. You can, how do you use this tamarind oil? Once you have it this way, you can pour some of this oil to your body cream or lotion and mix properly, or you can use it to make soap. You can add it to your soap as an essential oil. If you're using Ghana soap, this and that, and you want to mix it, or African black soap or liquid paste soap, you can add this a little. If you've made liquid soap, liquid bathing soap that you want to use, you can do what? You can add some of this. Then you can apply the oil on its own on the skin. You can use it for skin polishing, like use it to polish your legs. You can also apply it after taking your bath at night. You just pour a little of this oil and apply from your neck to your feet. All right, many people don't like oil or cream on their face at night, especially people like me. All right, so you can just apply this and you watch out the result. It's going to even out your skin tone. It will remove blemishes. You have blemishes, you can apply directly. Don't apply it with too oily, just a little bit. Apply on blemishes. If you've had issues with your skin, maybe you used chemicals on the skin and the skin got damaged, you can stop using chemicals and use natural brightening oils or natural brighteners like tamarind. So you see, tamarind is a go. When you use tamarind, you have a beautiful skin. You will not be having issues like when you're using other products. All right, so use beautiful tamarind oil today. You can buy from the market, you can make and sell, or you can make and use. All right, if you enjoy this tutorial, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and subscribe to Machine Art channel for more uploads. Thank you.